The most wonderful time of the year is also a wonderful opportunity for the flu to spread.
We stay very busy.
Michael Boyne is the charge nurse at AdventHealth Porter's ICU. As influenza picks up, more people are coming in seriously sick.
There are a lot of people coming in with a bad enough case of the flu that they need to be in the ICU, which, you really shouldn't have to be in the ICU with the flu. You certainly shouldn't have to end up on a ventilator with the flu, but people are. We have a patient actually right now who has the flu and is requiring continuous dialysis.
They're not alone. Down the road, Dr. Chris Post in AdventHealth Parker's emergency department is seeing a steady stream of flu patients.
The volume's been pretty high through the ERs and all of our clinics.
According to the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment, emergency department visits for flu are rising. Last week, nearly 800 people were hospitalized for flu. And it's not just here.
It's ramping up across the entire country.
Data from the CDC shows Colorado's flu cases are now very high, in the top 5 around the country. And flu season is spiking up earlier. CDC data shows influenza infection and hospitalization rates are roughly double that from this time last year. Dr. Post says part of that is the new flu variant.
Unfortunately, this one just sort of popped up and was unexpected, so the flu vaccine is not covering it as well as it typically would, which is why they're sort of calling it a super flu, is because people are getting sick, and it's sort of a newer virus that most people haven't seen.
Boyne says in the ICU, their sickest patients are the ones who didn't get the flu shot. Severe cases that are scary, and in some cases, preventable.
That is heartbreaking to see someone with the flu get that sick.
Health experts say the flu shot this year isn't a perfect match for the variant that's spreading, but it can still help to prevent you from getting seriously sick if you do get the flu. If you're in a big crowd or feeling sick, wear a mask. And of course, don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water. Rachel Brown, 9 News.
Scary numbers. It's such a tough time of the year. All right, thank you, Rachel.